Wait.
Are you dipping your pancakes in your yogurt?
Yeah. Ducks.
Is it yummy?
Yeah. Ducks.
I don't really know what you're saying there. Did you move your cup close? Yeah. Oh, now you push it away. Push.
Ducks.
Do you have blueberries in your pancake? Hi. Close.
Huh?
Close. You got everything right where you need it, huh? Say breakfast. Brick.
Duck. Poop. Cake.
Eat your yogurt.
Sure.
Stir. Good job. Are you making yogurt?
Yeah.
You can eat it?
The bowl.
Oh, put it on your pancakes.
No.
You're gonna eat it, right?
No.
Sammy's singing.
See.
Good job.
No.
More.
Yeah.
Okay, now you gotta eat it. What about your pancake? You dancing, Sammy? Are you dancing?
Right.
You keep wiggling your feet. Are you dancing? No, not anymore. Got distracted. Oh, there they go.